the ACS Learning Center. In this tutorial, we're going to be testing voltage and amperage on wash motors. You'll need safety glasses, various tools, your multimeter, and a notepad and pen to write down your findings. We start out by locating the motor data plate. The data plate will let you know what the amperage is expected for low voltage and for high voltage, depending on how it's wired. We're going to start out by viewing the top mount. First, open up your control box. Once inside of the control box, locate the wash pump motor relay. Here you'll find the hot leg or the black wire coming from the wash motor connected to the relay. The white wire will be connected to the common within the system. Set your multimeter to AC voltage. Start the machine so the wash motor runs. You put 1 meter lead on the spade that connects your hot leg from the motor to the relay. Your second meter lead can go to any white wire within the system. Here we're showing you to connect it to the white wire that's on the on and off switch for your common. To test for voltage, put 1 meter lead on the hot leg, 1 meter lead on common, and you will get your AC voltage going to the wash motor. Again, make sure the motor is running to test this. Next, we're going to be testing for amperage. Set your multimeter to test for amps. Again, start the machine so the wash motor is running. We connect the clamp around the hot leg of the motor. Again, only connect it around one wire at a time. This will give you your amperage that the motor is pulling. Always remember the motor must be running to test amperage. Next, we're going to be looking at the legacy machines. Locate the control box, which is going to be underneath the tank. Inside of the control box, you'll have an old style motor relay and a common post. Again, this machine is for testing only. This machine is not running, so we'll simulate how we're going to grab our voltage. Put 1 meter lead on a hot leg of the wash motor, the other on the common post. Again, the motor must be running. Secondly, to check amperage, we do it the same way as the top mount machine. The clamp only goes around the hot leg of the wash motor. While the motor's running, you'll be able to test your amperage. Lastly, we're going to look at the conveyor. The conveyor is a 3-phase system. Here we're going to put 1 meter lead to ground because this is high voltage. The other meter lead to go to L1, L2, and L3. As you can see, we are testing voltage that's coming into the contactor, and we're testing voltage that's coming out of the contactor to the wash motor. Test all 3 legs in this manner to get your voltage. Next, to check amperage. Again, in all cases, wash motor must be running. You'll use your clamp meter, and you'll clamp around the hot leg of each of the 3 legs out of the contactor. You must do these one at a time. Here we tested L3, Next, we're going to be testing L2. Lastly, we'll check L1. Again, all three must be tested separately. All disk machine motors can be tested for correct voltage and amperage by using the methods shown in this video. Learn more about testing voltage and amperage by talking to your manager, regional manager, vice president, or contact the training center for more information.